Hey guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're listening. Welcome back. Day 36 of our 100-day challenge. We are going strong, going amazing, going happier, going healthier, and always excited to come back and meet with you. You are like a family member to me. And guys, those who are listening this video for the first time, this is a journey of last 35 days where we are uncovering very small aspects, very crucial and very thought-provoking aspects of our life. Some exercise, some routines, some aspirations, some perceptions, some attitude. And I think if you look onto all those videos, you will have something or the other to uncover and to implement in. So guys, today's thought was very influential, I would say. Drive and determination, that's two very thing. If we have that attitude that nothing can stop us, we are drive and we are determined, that's the focus, that's the commitment, that's the attitude. Nothing can stop in this life. It's just your attitude, your perceptions, your focus, and makes a lot of difference in whatever aspect of life you are. And just keep that attitude, just keep that inspirational outlook, and you will have a lot of things coming all your way. You are a magnet. Be a magnet, and everything in this universe, as you know, is energy. If you are a magnet, that energy will get attracted to you, and you will be like anything you desire will come to you skyrocketing. So have that drive, that you're not stopping, you're unstoppable, and you're moving along. And have that determination that whatever it comes, I have that confidence, I have that trust, I have that belief in my almighty, in this universe, that everything is being taken care of me. Just surrender to this universe. I don't have to move anything. Surrender to this universe, let the universe move you. But the only thing is, you have to be determined, you have to be focused, you have to be committed, and you have to have that drive. Yes, I'm unstoppable, and I will go all the way along. And these things will make a lot of difference in your life, guys. The kind of motivation, the kind of morale, the kind of what do you say, your outlook will attract more people, will attract more money, will attract more positive energy, will attract everything what you're desiring for. But you need to be the source of all that energy, and let all the energy come and pass through you, and you have that joy, and have that moment of this true feeling, is this true sense of life, of joyfulness, of happiness, of openness. And I think everything will come to you, guys. So I think these two words make a lot of difference, and I thought just to share with you, and have that notion in you that you are unstoppable, and you are determined to take whatever it takes to have that aspect of life, have that enjoyable life, and be that source of energy, be that magnet of success, be that person of happiness, be that family person, be that successful person, and let everything go what you desire. So guys, I think, hope you would have enjoyed these videos. And um, I am always looking for something which could inspire you, which could motivate you, which could change you. And I think that's my aspect from last 35 days. Every day is a new day, guys. We just need to stand up and just say, yes, we can do it, and everything else will come onto your way. And as always, your insights, inputs, and feedback is always welcome. Those who are sharing their insights, thank you so very much. Any topic you want to undiscover, you want to unfold, I really want to go along with you and see how we can empower this community to be stronger. And any feedback, any inputs you have to make this channel more approachable, more, I would say, impactful, by be it by name, be it by the content, or whatever. Do share that also, guys. And as always, guys, you're like a family member, so your support, your love, your motivation is always very appreciated. And just keep on doing that work. Just be in trustworthy, be a trust, be in the state of trust, be in the state of gratitude, be in the state of love. Everything else will come to you guys. And on that note, thank you so very much guys. Have a great and a wonderful day till we meet tomorrow. Take care. Bye.